So, hello, Forex traders. In the next few minutes of this webinar, you have on your fingertips the MLB trading system that flips your trading account by 5 times in 5 months or less without over leveraging your trading accounts, guys. Let me paraphrase. You're going to have on your fingertips a system which I call the MLB trading system that is going to flip your trading account by 5 times in the next 5 months or less without over leveraging your account. You're not going to be over leveraging, you're not going to be over trading. You are also going to be risking a very little portion of your account, like 1% or 2%. And in the next 5 months, you should be able to actualize 5 times your account, which means if you have a $250 trading account, you should be seeing as much as $1,250 in your trading account with this system. So pay your 100% attention to this, guys. So you're probably asking by now, who am I to make you such promises? And why should you even listen to me, right? So, hello, my name is Emmanuel. How are you doing? And with me here is my co-host of this webinar, Etsinosa Osunde. So, we are both the founders of FireFX and PGP Incorporation. We've gone through both the losing phase and the break-even phase, and now we are dwelling in the profitable phase of the forex market, right? So, this is what traders like you are saying about us. So this is Golden by your left hand side here. So Golden said he actually replied to my status. He said, "Your status keeps me informed and increases the oil in my lamp of forex." This is Hart. He said, "I don't have time to view status every time on my WhatsApp, but not for yours. I always check in yours, most especially because of the facts and figure you always post. I'm one of those who have lost a lot both in forex and online investment, big time, even to a point of lost hope. I spent months, money and time learning the so-called technical analysis and paying for unconfirmed signals. And at a point, I lost trust because it all brought me down. But the truth is that I haven't given up because I see the financial market as one of the great means for ordinary people to generate extraordinary income, and not only working 8 a.m., 5 p.m. jobs for years. And since I came across your adverts and was directed to this WhatsApp, your status is worth taking a time on, especially for those who are curious about the forex." Now, this is Dave, right? So Dave said, I didn't take this trade, but I must confess, you are good in this industry, even though the market nearly hit stop loss. But it did came back massively and hit the TPs from behind. What a massive buy of candle projection. By the way, Dave is one of my old students. So this is another person, David Ikie. He said, "I go through your status at times to understand forex. I have lost a lot of money, but learning in bits from your status and others is giving me a renewed hope." Tinubu people, that I will always get back all the dollars and more that I've lost. Keep the good work. So this is David as well. This is another David. I'm not in your training program, but every time I see you post some analysis, I'm like, wow, this is genius. I love to be like him. This is also Fatai. Fatai said, length. I think Fatai got one of my probably book or something. He said he learns about 4 factors before considering a trade: bias, location, entry reason, and exit reason. Also, he said, I opened his eyes to the power of good RR, which you all are going to also get your eyes open to it. Good RR. The day I joined our Telegram section, you did some calculation and it's made me realize how important it is to have good RR. In addition, your status is informative. Thank boss. Now this is Akinkumi Do. This is one of the result based review that I have, right? So he said Akikumi deposited $250 in his trading account, and under 1 week, guys, he was able to actualize $152 in just 1 week. Right? He was able to actualize $152 in a single week. $152 is more than 50% of $250. If you guys do the calculation by yourself. So this is also another person. He said he made 617 euro for the day. He said he's going to stop. He's one of my Europe based clients. He said he's going to stop. He said he started trading Friday and he's already up 2k, right? As you can see, he dropped the analysis with his results, with what he has made basically. So he said he can't beat it. Your strategy is mad. Before you, I wish I was big on supply. I mean, I was big on supply and demand, but I never really took liquidity into play, and that's where I was going wrong. But now I genuinely think I'm mastering it. So I said, awesome job. Keep doing it. Keep it up. So this is another person sending me a screenshot of his results, and this is also another person sending me a screenshot of his results. This is a screenshot of a withdrawal, and also this is a screenshot of someone that actually deposited $281 and deposited $600, and within a week he was able to make $281. This is another person. This person said, I love this your strategy. This is the best I've seen so far. I now begin to understand some certain things that Williams used to say in his YouTube account about the zooming from monthly, weekly to hour and minutes to pick up an entry. I get a big picture. Your book is super amazing, and again, this your 1 month free trial is very nice, and da. You see, this isn't about us. It is about you, right? I can keep posting testimonials from now to tomorrow, but it's not going to make any impact in you at all. So which is why I'm just going to go into this for you right now. So I'm going to be making you three promises, guys. Now, promise 1, I will be showing you the ungodly truths about the forex market, revealing the dirty game played by the market dominators, the traps they set for you and me, and how not to fall into this trap. Right? So promise 1, I'm going to be showing you the ungodly truth about the forex market, revealing the dirty game played by the market dominators, the traps they set for you and I, and how not to fall into these traps. That's my first promise. Now, promise 2, I'm going to also show you how to use this dirty game. Right? The dirty game here is the MLB trading system you're going to be learning, right? How you're going to use this MLB trading system to your advantage to make a minimum of $1,002 with a $250 trading account. That's 5 times of $20 in 100 trading days or less. By the way, we have at least minimum of 20 trading days in a month, right? Monday to Friday in 4 times. Just do your calculation. So, promise 3, guys. If I fulfill these 2 promises above, I'm going to be making you a free offer. You're not going to be paying me shingbai. You're not going to be paying me a dime. So this free offer is going to allow you make an extra $3,000 monthly after 6 months, guys. So reply yes in the comment section if this sounds fair enough. I want to see your yes in the comment section if it sounds fair enough. Awesome. I'm seeing a couple of yeses here. I'm seeing a lot of yeses here. So I'll just go right into this. All right, let me just get into it right away, guys. I'm here for you guys. I'm here for you. I'm going to be blowing up your mind now, guys. I'm going to be blowing up your mind. I can assure you this. So you see, before I became profitable in the forex market, I learned a few important things that contributed to my trading success. And it is that there are so many lies in the forex trading market. And your job is to seek the truth and allow the truth to set you free, guys. Seek the truth and allow the truth to set you free. So what are these truths I'm talking about? Now, this is going to shock you guys, but it is the truth, right? So if you have problem with being told the truth, just leave the webinar right now, because this is not for you. I'm going to be blasting you all with lots of truths that you must hear. So the odds of a retail trader succeeding in the forex market are very low. Hence, to succeed, you need to trade like the people who dominate the market. What do I mean? Let me show you. So who are the market dominators, if you ask me? We have the Huge Bank, we have the UBS, we have the Barclay Capital, we have the City, we have the Royal Bank of Scotland, we have the JP Morgans, we have the HSBC. We have lots of these banks that are like the market dominators. These are the people that have the huge amount of money to control the forex market. You and I don't have that money. We don't even mean a lot like that in the forex market. We don't even mean a lot like that in the forex market. As you can see, Deutsche Bank actually carries like 18.1% in the forex market. UBS 11.3%, 11.1% for Barclay Capitals, and like that, and like that, and like that, guys. We don't even have like we are really up to nothing when it comes to dominating in the forex market. It means we can't control the market. We can't. It is beyond our control. That's just the meaning. It is within the people that controls the market are these people that I'm just showing you right now. So if something is beyond our control, why do we have to be trading our own way when we can actually just learn their ways and trade like them? So the job of the market dominators, guys, this is one of the dirty secret that you have to know, dirty truths, and this is one of the dirty game they play that you have to like know. So the job of the market dominators is to buy the price when it's very low and sell when the price is very high, to be able to make good profit for themselves. I'm going to give you an example, guys. If I want to buy, let's say I want to buy dollar, right? And dollar is currently, let's say, 1,100 naira per dollar, and I know that the market is going to get to, I mean, I control the market, so I should know. So I know that the market is going to get to like 800 before dollar starts going up again. Now, a lot of people are going to be buying now because the market is actually going down, is going down. So a lot of people are going to buy now thinking that okay, it's going to increase. But I know that as a bank dominator, I know that okay, the market is, I'm not going to be buying where everybody is buying, where retailers are buying, because I have to make money, right? I have to make fat profits for myself. So I'm going to be buying at 800 while the retail, everybody is buying at 1,000, maybe 900 and all of that. I want more profit for myself. So as to make good money. That's how these people think. So to be able to achieve this objective, they need liquidity, which is your money, right? Which is why the retailer in the market, we need to be taken out of the market first, because we have, if I am to buy something, I need sellers, right? And if there has to be seller, the seller must be willing to sell. I mean, the people on the other side must be willing to sell. So we need people that are going to sell when they are not supposed to sell, so we can make fat profits. I'm going to show you in charts so you can understand this perfectly, right? So this is why retailers in the market, we need to be taken out of the market before the price heads onto its original directions. So, well, the odds of a retailer trader succeeding in the forex market are very low. Hence, to succeed, you need to trade like the people who dominate the market, right? I'm going to show you what I mean. So what do I mean? The retail concept of trading is a trap to lose your hard-earned money to the people who control the forex market. They will tell you to buy support, they will tell you to sell at resistance, they will tell you to use indicators. They will tell you to plot some stupid patterns and all of that. Do you think banks are sitting their ass behind the desk plotting patterns just to buy and sell? Let me show you what I mean. So let me give you an example here. This is the forex trading chart. I don't know if you guys can see my forex trading chart right now. You can see my screen carefully and you can also hear me. I want to be sure I'm carrying you guys along on this journey with me. Just type in one simple. Let's not overstress this. Just type in one. Awesome. I'm already seeing your one. All right. So you guys can see me. So let's get back to this. So this is a forex chart, guys. This is a GBP USD forex chart, as you can see. Right now we have resistance, we have support, right? Resistance is when we have like 2 touches, we know that we are going to sell. When we have 2 touches, okay, at that point the retail concept is that we sell. Support is when we have 2 touches as well. At that point is to buy. Now let's first look at the support, right? Let's focus on the support first. Now let's say I buy from this support, right? I would make some profit up to this point. Don't forget that if I'm buying here, my stop loss is going to be beneath this place I'm buying from, because obviously if I'm wrong, I want to be out of the market, right? So stop losses are going to be, this is money. Stop losses are money, guys. Pay attention to this place. Stop losses are what? Money. Put it in the comment section and say stop losses are money. I want to see it right now. Stop losses are money. Stop losses are liquidity. Put it in the comment section, guys. Stop losses are money. I want you to put it in the comment section that stop losses are money, guys. I'm going to show you how right now. Yes, they are money. Leo. So let's just get to it, guys. Pay attention here. Now we have support, we have resistance. Now retailers are going to be buying off from this support. Yeah, this touch that my arrow is cycling at right now. Right, so if you buy here, you're going to make a little bit of profit. Now the reason why it works sometimes is simple. There is no, like, let's say I create a game and people are only losing, they can't win. The game is not going to be interesting. They are not going to play, right? So they want you to make little money. They don't want you to make a lot of money, but they want you to make little money so you can still lose it to them. I still think that you can win. That's why this is working here. So if a retailer would think, oh, this is already working, so they will buy from this point. And stop losses are beneath this place. But what the banks, the dominators, the market dominators are looking at that, they don't want to be buying where retailers are buying. That's their job is not to buy where you are buying. Their job is to buy low where you are not buying. So you can sell to them aggressively and they can buy and make big profit. So anybody that buys here would make a little bit of profit, and they are hoping that they would probably close their trade here, but they will just be in little profit, and they will what? They will be taken out of the market, eat their stop losses, and when their stop losses is eaten, banks have made money from that. And what? See what happened. Now let's look at the resistance as well. Let's look at the resistance as well. We have like first touch here, we have second touch here. Now the third touch, it sold a little bit here. It sold a little bit here. But at some point, what happened? We have stop losses here, don't forget, right? Because people are also going to be selling at this point, right? Retailers, right? So when they sold at this point, a little bit of money is made. The same thing that happened from this buy zone here, right? A little bit of money was made, and the stop losses are here. What happened? Boom. Stop losses are it's some, not all. Because people's stop losses might be wide and all of that. Now, don't forget the retail concept, break and retest. When we have, I mean, resistance turns into support when it is broken. That don't forget that people are also going to be buying at this point again. Now we have stop losses of people that bought from this point. We have stop losses here. What happened? Market came down, bought a little bit again. Bought a little bit. Look at what the game they are playing here. Bought a little bit again. And what? Eat their stop losses as much as possible. And what? Go to his original direction. I don't know if you are getting value, guys. I don't know. But if you are getting value, what I want you to do for me right now is go into the WhatsApp group you came from and drop it in the comment section and tell people what they are that they are missing a lot if they are not on this webinar right now. Just go into the WhatsApp group and type it there that they are missing. Let's do this for just 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. If you are getting value, just do this. Just do this. So we can continue in the next 2 to 3 minutes. Let's just do it. Guys, the group is open. Go and drop it in the comment section. Let's on your WhatsApp. Yeah. I want as much as possible. I'm already dropping. I want as much as possible, guys. Let's do that with the next. We have 2 minutes more to go. We have 2 minutes more to go, so we can proceed. We have a lot to learn, guys. We have a lot to learn. We are just like 20 minutes in. Awesome. I'm seeing your doings, guys. I'm seeing your doings. Yeah. I'm seeing your doings, guys. The group is open, guys. You can. Awesome. Thank you, guys. So we have 1 minute to go. Let's just. All right, let's. All right, I'm seeing you. So, guys, let's move on. Let's focus. So, you see, the forex trading isn't as hard as you think. I mean, it can get very simple once you understand the footprint of the market, right? Once you understand the footprint of the market dominators, and you can follow these footprints to trade like them. Now that I have fulfilled my first promise, which is to show you the ungodly truth about forex trading, that the retail approach to forex trading is an approach that is bound to make you lose money. Now let me head on to the second promise. I've fulfilled my first promise. Now let me head on to my second promise, which is to show you how to use this dirty game to your advantage to make a minimum of $1,200 with what? With a $250 trading account in 100 trading days or less. So let me show you a simple case study first. a simple case study, guys. Let me show you with a simple case study. So we have a trading criteria of $250 trading account here. We have a let's say on that $250 trading account, you are risking just how much? 2%. 2% of $250 trading account is $5, right? $5. So it means on every trade you take, you are not supposed to lose more than $5 if you lose the trade. But if you win the trade, right, we are getting there. So you are not supposed to what? Lose more than $5 on any trade you lose. So now, let's say the trading strategy you take, your trading, which is also inclined with the dominators approach, the market dominators approach, right, which we can call the MLB trading system, the move like the boss trading system. Do not forget, right? This system is giving you a minimum of, let's say it's giving you a minimum of 25 trading opportunities per week, which means you're able to take 25 trades every single month with that system. Now, this is where it gets interesting. There's something we call risk to reward per trade. Risk to reward is very simple. Risk to reward simply means what you're risking ratio what you're getting back. So if your risk to reward is 1:5, it means you're risking, let's say, $5, which is the 2% of $250, and you're getting back times 5. That's what this 5 means. Times 5 of what you're risking. That's what 1:5 means. If it is 1:2, it means you're getting times 2 of what you're risking, right? If it is 1:3, it means you're getting times 3 of what you're risking. So if you're risking 5% here, it means you're getting back times 5, which is $25. If you win a trade, you're making $25. If you lose a trade, you're getting what? You're losing what? $5, right? That is what we are talking about here. So, guys, let's do a little bit of calculation to be sure that you guys understand everything I just said right now. I'm coming. Give me 1 minute. So if you're risking 2% of a $250 trading account, and each trade you're taking every time is giving you a minimum risk reward of 1:5, right? Which means if you're risking you're risking $5 to get back $25, and you have a trading account of $250, how many win do you need to make back $250? Guys, put it in the comment section. How many win do you need to make back $250 if you're making $25 win? If you win a trade, you're making $25. How much? How many win do you need? I need fast answer, guys, so we can push on. I need fast answer so we can move on. 10 wins. Thank you, Lucky. God bless you. Just 10 wins, because 10 times $25 is what? $250. As simple as that. As simple as that. Now, this is where it gets interesting. You do not need 80% winning ratio. You don't need 50%. In fact, you don't even need 70% winning. You don't even need 40% winning accuracy. Before I even get into that, you might be asking, what is winning accuracy? Winning accuracy is as simple as in 100 trades that you take, how many times are you winning and how many times are you losing? So if your winning accuracy is 40%, it means out of 100 trade, you're winning 40 trade and you're losing 60 trade, right? It means out of 10 trade, you're winning 4 trade and you're losing 6 trade. But if you let me ask you this question, guys. If you lose 60% of 25, okay, let's do this calculation, then I'm going to give you something to actually solve, so I can be sure that you guys understand me. I don't want to jump the gun. So this is the calculation here. We have, so 40%. This is a trading criteria, as I've said. We have a $250 trading account. We have a 2% risk management per each trade. We are not risking more than 2%, right? We are not over trading. 25 trading opportunities per month that this system is actually providing us with. And on each trade, if we win the trade, we are getting back times five of what we are risking, which is 25. I mean, 5 times 5, which is $25, right? If you lose the trade, we are losing what? Just $5. If you lose, we are losing $5. If you win, we are making $25, right? So we have like 40% winning accuracy, which means out of this 25 trade, 40% of 25 is what? 10, which means out of this 25 trade, we are only going to win 10 trade and we are going to lose 15 trade, right? The losses are going to be, in numbers, is going to be more than the wins. But yeah, this is where the magic happens. So we have 15 losses, right? And don't forget that if you lose on a single trade, when you lose, you're only losing $5. So 15 times $5 is what? Minus $75. At the end of the day, you are only going to be losing minus $75. If you're going to be winning 10 trade, which is 10 times, right? You're going to be winning 10 times out of 25 times $25, which is times 5 of what you're risking. Don't forget, our minimum risk to reward is 1:5. That's $25. So $25 times 10. I mean, we're going to be having $250. Net profit is going to be $175 in a single month, guys. In a single month. So 5 months of that alone is going to be $175 times 5. We're going to be having how much? It's $875. This is a mistake here. So $875 plus the initial starting capital, which is the $250. We are going to be having $1,125. My simple promise of how you can make times 5 of how much? $250. This is just a simple trading criteria, guys. I don't know if you guys are seeing this. I don't know if you guys are you guys, are your eyes opening, guys? I want to know in the comment section, are your eyes opening to this guys? Are your eyes opening to these guys? I want to know in the comment section, please. Awesome. I'm glad you guys are. So the question I want to ask you is this. I want to ask you this question, and I want you to be very, very honest with me. Is it possible for you to blow your account if you follow these simple rules? Even if your winning accuracy is just 40%, it doesn't even have to be 50%. Is it possible for you to blow your account if you just abide by these simple rules I've given to you? Guys, answer me in the comment section. I want to know. Is it possible? Exactly. Lucky said it is not possible. It is not. As long as you have a strategy that is giving you at least 40% to win that race, you don't have to win enough. You don't have to win every single time. That's the magic here. You don't have to win every single time. Right? So if you do not have to win every single time, why are you concerned about winning every trade? Why? To make money, all you have to do is have a very good risk to reward, kind of trade, a very not so bad winning accuracy. 40% is okay, 30% is okay. In fact, there are some that is 20%, and they are still making money. They are still milking the forex market, guys. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Someone should help me tell the king marketer. Okay, king marketer and Solomon. I don't think they can hear me properly. They should leave and join. They should leave and join. They should leave and join. Someone should help me tell King Marketer, Chima to leave and join the group. They said they can't hear me properly. So let's move on, guys. I want to show you some live results because we took some trade last week we took some trade last week, and we were able to acquire as much as closely 42% profit. Let me show you some. Let me show you. I don't like to just talk. I love showing with results, basically. I love backing everything I say with results. Something. Guys, check out this result I posted right now. I dropped in the group. And I'm also going to show you, I'm going to drop a link to a YouTube showing our one of the real life accounts we just finessed on, just to show you how possible this is. You can simply watch this within just 1 minute. These are the kind of results we get on a steady basis. So I'm just trying to show you live so you can see it for yourself. Let's do this for just 1 to 2 minutes. By 8:49 we resume, because I'm going to be asking you some questions. So check out this result I posted. And also check out the YouTube link I posted attached to it, so you can see for yourself how we've been able to finesse the market with the MLB trading system, and also using this trading, using the RR, the risk management approach and everything. These are few of the trades we took last week, and attached to, the YouTube link attached here is one of the recording we took. That was last week or something that we took the recording to show you how much this is, like 200% in just 2 weeks was made using this approach. 200%. I'm not even promising you 200% here. I'm only promising you how many percent? 50% per month. Yes, Alabiokwe said this is a system. This is a good system that is working. Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. This is Cedric. Cedric deposited $50, and in few weeks he was able to do how much? He was able to do $1,122 in just few weeks, right? With this MLB trading system. Now, this is also Akikumido, another person. He deposited how much? $250, and in a single day was able to make $80 profit. $80 profit is how much? For a $250, that's like, how many percent is that? That's closely 4%. 4%. Closely 4%. I say for closely 40% in a single day. He was able to make closely 40% in a single day. That's the power of high, guys. So in a week, he was able to do how much? 152 in 1 week. $152 in 1 week, and he deposited how much? You can see the before here. He deposited $250, right? And on the second day, he was able to make. Second day, in a week time, he was able to do $152. As you can see, his balance here is already $412.24, right? So, as you can see, we've been able to help many smart traders like you in the past and even presently. So, since my second promise has been fulfilled, I would love to ask you this question. So, if you can automatically copy our exact trade every single day to make at least 50% profits monthly, this is the worst case scenario. It will be more than that, but I don't like to overpromise. I like to underpromise, so you can be shocked when you get a fast result, right? It is better to underpromise than to overpromise. So, and our profit sharing ratio is going to be 70%. So if you make 50% profit, when you make 50% profit from the account, you're getting 70% of that profit, and we are getting what? 30% of that profit. Till you make 5 times your trading account in the next 100 trading days. This is guaranteed, right? So while you sit back and relax, will you consider that a fair deal? Let me paraphrase so you can understand me perfectly. Right? Let me paraphrase so you can understand me perfectly. If you can automatically copy, this is going to be on autopilot. Your account is connected to our account, and every trade we are taking is appearing on your account with the risk appetite is also applying to your account, right? So if when we make profits, the kind of big profits we make, you also make the kind of big profits we make, because we use the same IRR to trade, right? So when we make 50% in a month, you make 50% as well, but you're going to be getting 70% of that 50% profit that you make, and we are going to be getting 30% of that profit. You don't have to do anything. You're not going to be pressing, you're not going to be watching the chart, you're not going to be buying or selling any. This is what we are going to be doing. So will you consider that a fair deal? This deal is going to end until you make 5 times your trading account in the next 100 trading days. Will you consider that a fair deal? I want your answers ASAP, just within 3 minutes, guys. Your answer. I want your answer, guys. Don't send me a DM. Put it in the comment section. Leo said yes, it's fair. I want as many responses as possible in the next 1 minute. No, the trade is. I'm going to get to the questions, guys. So you write your questions down. Don't worry. I don't want us to. Yeah, I will be taking the questions. It's not bots trading. No, this is human trading. This is not bots. This is not bots. So a lot of you said fair deal. So let's move on. So since you all said yes, so I'm going to be introducing to you the MLBM offer. Move like a boss money pot offer. What is the MLBM offer? Let me explain to you. We trade in line with the with the market dominators, with the big banks, right? We follow their footprints. We are buying where they are buying, right? Which is why we have high risk to reward trade, right? Which is why we are having that of 1:10, 1:5, 1:20, 1:50 kind of trade. I don't want to talk about 1:50 because your mind might not be able to capture that, but you get that kind of trade with us. This is the kind of trade we take. So imagine you getting ×5 of what you're risking on your account, and just 10 trade you're able to double your account. That is the kind of offer. That is the kind of trade you're going to be getting on MLBM offer, right? And it's going to be copied on your account automatically. So you're not even the one that is going to be taking any trade. You go about your day, do everything you want to do, and you will still be making money, right? So this is an offer created to help struggling traders to make their first $1,000-$2,000 in the next 5 months with copy trading, and also start earning $3,000 monthly in 6 months time. Do not forget, guys, I said I was going to also teach you how to make $3,000 monthly in 6 month time, right? So you will see how this works together at the end of the day. Just follow me. So this is an offer that is this is only for if you've made more than $1,000 in forex trading. This is not for you. This is just to help people who are struggling. They are struggling to grow their money, basically to grow their trading accounts. They've never really withdrawn $1,000 plus in their forex trading account. This is for them. It is not for whoever that has made more than that, right? So, so this is an offer created to help struggling forex traders make their first $1,000 in the next 5 months with copy trading and also start earning $3,000 monthly in 6 months' time. $3,000 comes in 6 months' time. I'm not saying the next month, oh, right? The $2,000 comes in 5 months' time. So you guys should understand. So what does this offer entail? In case you're asking, right? So this is you'll be able to copy my high risk to reward trade on a daily basis. This is worth $100 monthly, but you're not going to be paying anything, right? When you take advantage of the MLBM offer today, you'll be connected to our trading account system to be able to copy our high quality trade with a 1:5 minimum risk to reward trade and 55% win rate. Our win rate is 55%, right? Which means out of every 100 trade we take, for example, we are winning how much? We are winning 55 trade. So this goes to show how much more we can even make in a short period of time. But I don't want to say it's will be more than 50%, right? But I'm just saying the minimum is 50%. Worst case scenario, worst result, 50% profit. So you'll be able to spend quality time doing what you love with important people in your life, or even do other important things with your time without having to worry about exchanging time for money when you're not even sure of not losing both time and money, because a lot of struggling traders are actually losing their money and their time. They are putting money in the forex market. They don't know how to trade, so they are wasting their time. They are losing their time. They are also wasting their money. It is horrible. It is a horrible experience. So with the MLBM offer, you are leveraging forex professionals' time, hard work, and experience who trade exactly like the people who dominate the forex markets. So you are sure of banking consistent dollar from the forex market, right? So this is what a service charge of $100 monthly, but I understand that many might not be able to afford that amount. So you are going to be accessing this for free because profits will be automatically splitted at 70:30%. Ratio 30 rates on a monthly basis, which means from the 50% and above that we are going to be making, your profit from that is going to be 70%, and my own profit is going to be 30%. You're also going to be getting top forex secrets ebook, right? This is worth $87. If you take advantage of this offer, instead of paying $87 to get my top forex secrets ebook, where you get to learn the 3 elements of forex trading profitability and also how you can win at least 10k prop firm trading challenge, you'll be getting access to this ebook for free. Now the original cost is $87. You'll be getting access to the top forex secrets ebook for free when you take advantage of the MLBM offer. So I'm literally giving it to you for free. I charge $87 for this when I'm selling the ebook. Let me show you something. So this is the cover of the ebook. As you can see, you learn 3 elements that makes you a successful trader, right? You also learn the 4 easy steps of winning and getting funded with a 10k live proprietary trading account, even if you're currently a struggling trader. Now the ebook is responsible for hundreds of traders trading success. Don't take my word for it, see for yourself. I'm not going to be reading everything. Right? I'm coming. I want to check if we are still on. Yes, so we are still on. So Eric is one of those that got his hands on the top forex secrets ebook. So Eric said he can't hide his testimonies. It's not a joke anymore. He said he's going live very soon. This was in January 12, 2023, as you can see here. So we're chatting, and January 30th, this was a demo. He was trading on the demo here. Now this is January 13, 2023. He said gold partial staking just passed the first stage of my challenge in one single day. He got a prop firm. Everything he learned from the book, he used it to achieve these results. He posted the result. He posted this result, right? He posted these screenshots of his profit. So I asked him, is this FTMO? He said, yes, please, someone bought it for him, right? This is another person as well. So this person said, this book is quite insightful and straight to the point. I'm currently on forward testing the break and retest strategy with a double top bottom confirmation confluence. Kudos, bro. We have I don't want to read everything so we don't get bored. I'm just reading the important one so you can see the effect. This is someone, he said last week my capital was around 60. Now see, now lowest lot size I used, I don't know how much his account is presently. I've forgotten. Basically that was a long time ago. So this is, and now this is Yenu. This is one of my Ghanaian person as well. This is April 18, 2023. He screenshotted this and sent to me. He also took a prop firm. Yeah, he took a prop firm and he passed the prop firm. He said your son is growing. That's what he calls me. I mean, that's what he refers himself to me as. He refers to me as a father, basically. So basically, he said, remember this. Thanks very much. So I told him, well done, my man. Keep growing. Which prop firm is this? He said he did it in just 4 days. He was able to achieve this in 4 days. He was able to pass. So I told him he should not ignore the risk management, whatever. He said he was able to use some of the money to set this up. Some of the money he made, he's already making money already. Like, it's crazy. So you're also going to be getting risk management video worth $37. One of the major reasons why a lot of traders fail is because of poor risk management. A lot of people think they are practicing risk management, but unknowingly to them, they are just gambling away their money to the forex market. In this video, you will learn the risk management that will keep your account in good shape, both in losses and profit season. When you take advantage of the MLBM offer, you'll be able to get the risk management video for free without having to pay $37. Right? That's the original price I sell the risk management video for. So you're not going to get paying anything. You're getting it for free alongside with the MLBM. I mean, with the copy trading and everything, all combined in the MLBM offer. Right? So you're also going to be getting 15 hours of daily support. The what is priceless. So we are not the type that would you're not going to be having, if you chat me when I'm sleeping, I'm not going to reply you, obviously, right? So you're not going to be getting 24/7 support, but you're going to be getting 15 hours of support. We don't joke with our sleep time. So if you take advantage of the MLBM offer today, you have 15 hours of free access to us daily, right? Asking us questions you need answers to. This is priceless. So the total worth is how much? $224. But guess what? That is not even all. I have a special fast action taker bonus for the first 3 persons. This is only for the first 3 persons who take action within the next 24 hours of attending this live webinar, right? So what is this fast action taker bonus about, in case you're asking? Now, before I get into it, I want to tell you something. The reason why I'm giving this bonus for fast action taker bonus is for fast action taker is very, very simple. Fast action taker are people who I have worked with in the past, and they are people who usually get fast results. People like that guy I showed you, because they are hungry. They show their hunger by taking fast action. They don't even need to think too much. They know what they want. They go for it instantly. And just because of that, I always like to reward them by also encouraging them to fast track their results. So if you are able to take advantage of this within 24 hours and you are among the first three persons to do that, you're going to be getting a complete smart money course. Smart money course is simply how bank trade, the liquidity that I showed you, how the other block where they take their trade from, every other thing that you need to know. So this course teaches you how to trade exactly like the bank, follow their footprint in the market, avoid being stop hunted, and most importantly, you will learn how to use minimal stop losses like 2, 3, 5, or 15 pips max SL for snipe entries to catch big moves. Imagine using 15 pips XL to catch 100 pips. That's crazy. That's more than six times or 7 times what you're risking. That is why you'll be getting high risk to reward. So this course is guaranteed to take you from a total struggling trader to a profitable forex trader if you learn and practice what you learned over time. You won't even need to buy any forex course in the future again, because this is all you need to become profitable in the forex market, as long as you take this seriously. See, as long as you watch this course, you do everything that is said inside, I can guarantee you move from a total struggling trader to a profitable forex trader on your own. See, this is just on your own. You don't have to do this, but if you do this right, this is the result you're going to get. That is what I'm saying right now. You become a profitable trader yourself. You'll be able to trade yourself. You don't even need to buy any other forex course that will probably waste your time and your money, and you feel hot. So basically, this course alone is worth $250. That is exactly how much I bought it. This is the course that gave me everything I need when it comes to the bank approach, right? So it's worth $250 when I got it. But if you're one of the first three persons to take advantage of the MLBM offer within the next 24 hours, you'll be getting this for free, right? So these are the contents. You see supply and demand, liquidity concept, market structure, order block, everything that you need to know, right? So now this is where it gets interesting. Right? Remember, I told you I'll show you how you can make $3,000. Right? Now think about this for a second. As a forex trader, you shouldn't be lacking money, and the reason is simple. We have investors who come together, a group of investors who come together. They create what we call prof firms, and this prof firm, they are willing to fund profitable traders. As long as you know how to trade, you will be able to make money. That's all. Like that, all you need to know is how to trade. Once you know how to do that, money is guaranteed to enter your account. So think about this for a second. If we help you make $1-2 in the next 5 months, you take $100 from that 1-2 to get a profit, and you're also able to pay us $150 because we charge $300, but you're going to be getting 50% discount. So you pay us $150 to help you pass the profit. So you are making 30%, basically. 30% of $10,000 is $3K. It's very, very easy to make. Very, very easy to make. With 0.5% risk. Very easy to make. Right? So you can see how easy it is to actually do 3K monthly. Just a $10K profit and you are good. So basically, one of the services we render is helping traders pass their profit and even help them manage their profit accounts after passing their profit. This is a guaranteed service, or we give you a full refund. So it means if you don't pass your profit, we are going to give you a refund. But if you pass, the money is ours. That's how we. So we charge $300 to pass a profit account. But if you are one of the three persons to take advantage of the MLBM offer within the next 24 hours of attending this webinar, you will have the opportunity to gain access to this service for just how much? $100. Oh, I even said $150. Well, that's a good discount for you. So $100 from us in the next 5 months. So after making you can take $100 from your profits to get our service and also win a prop firm to make extra 3K monthly in 5 months time. So you are not just making 1.5, you're also making $3K monthly. Think about what $3K monthly is going to do for you. That's more than 3M, right? So this is one of the results. We don't want to show you too many, so we don't want to bore you with too many. But this is one of the results. You can see This was passed around last year, October, October 23, right? As you can see, it was passed by, this is PG PGP Incorporation's accounts on what's it called, my Flash Fund prop firm. So this is one of the results of the account we've passed. As you can see here, a certificate of achievement has successfully completed our evaluation trading objective and demonstrated a profitable, keyword here is profitable, with quality money management, right? So that goes to show how much. So now, this is also what you're going to be getting as a fast action taker bonus, right? 1 to 3 crypto to buy in 2024 that gives 40 times, not 40%, 40 times. 40% is different from 40 times, guys. Times 40 of what you're putting in, you're getting times 40 of that or more. So you're going to be getting a coin. I mean, you're going to be getting crypto coins that will be giving you this kind of profits. We are in 2024, and 2024 is a year of bull run where a lot of crypto people are going to become millionaires and billionaires. So you can, if you take advantage of this, you'll be able to join the train, right, of who are going to make money in the bull run. So you're going to be getting 1 to 3 crypto coin to put your, I mean, if you're making money on Forex, it is only good to put it into something else that will also multiply in 40 times. That's where crypto gets crazy, 40 times, right? So a lot of people have built wealth and fortune for themselves just by investing in the right coin. We use Forex to multiply money, while we use crypto gem coins, to build what? To build wealth. So if you happen to be among the first 3 to take advantage of the MLBM offer, you'll be able to get 1 to 3 crypto coins with 40 times ROI potential to invest your money into on a monthly basis, right? So once again, this is all you'll be getting from the MLBM offer that allows you to make $1,002 in 100 trading days or less for free, for absolute free. So you're going to be able to copy my iris to reward trade automatically. You're not going to be able to, you're not going to be doing anything. Once your account is connected, boom, it start trading, right? Start taking the whichever trade we take on our end is going to apply on your end as well. You're going to get the top secret ebook, which is what is $7, risk management video, which is what is $7, 15 hours of daily support, which is priceless, complete smart money course for which is what $50. You're going to be able to win a prop firm account, make $3K monthly with a prop firm account basically, and the original was is 300, but yeah, you'll be able to just pay $100 after, like, that's after you've made 1-2. So just so you know, so you're also going to get access to 1 to 3 crypto to buy in 2024, right? So that will give you 40 times or more ROI. The total worth is how much? $874. But 10 people will only be getting all of this for free. This is only for 10 people. All this offer is just for 10 people. 3 people will get fast action bonus, and the rest will still get the offer without the fast action bonus. That's what I mean. So is this offer for everybody? No, it is only for people who have or can afford a minimum of $250 trading live accounts with a long time based investment mentality, as this isn't a get rich quick scheme, right? So this is a long time. You want to make fortune here, because when you start making $3K, it's a different, you've never made 1K before and you're making like $3K every month. Life becomes different entirely for you. So, but to achieve that, the price you have to pay is that you have to have this long-term based investment mentality. If you are looking for a get rich quick scheme, this is not for you. This is not a get rich quick scheme, right? It takes time. So in 6 months, we can do this basically. So this is not for whoever that's have a get rich quick scheme mentality, right? So attention, right? If you do not have or can afford a minimum of $250 trading account at the moment, don't worry as well. At the end of this training, I'll show you how to grow your account to $250 with your current trading capital, right? So I still got you if you don't have that much money. So if you are saying I'm ready, How do I take advantage of this offer right now? Give me 1 minute, please. Let me sip water.
Stay in the moment with complete control of what comes next. At least when it comes to music.
Now send whoever give you the link to this webinar a DM right now, telling him you want to gain access to the MLBM offer. That's people who have $250 trading account, who can afford a $250 trading account. So send the person a DM, the person who send you to this group. Some of you just join the Telegram directly from Facebook or from the website. You can send me a DM because you actually came from me. And some of you also came from my WhatsApp group because WhatsApp banned my account yesterday. I have to get it back. I don't know why, but I have to get it back. Right? So I had to link the adverts to Telegram. So some of you came from directly from adverts to Telegram. So you can message me because I'm the one that actually got you here. And also some of you came from the WhatsApp group, from my WhatsApp group, right? So you can message whoever sent you the link, either on WhatsApp or Telegram, right? Whoever sent you the link to this Telegram group. So you'll be given a broker link to sign up with. Now this broker is regulated, and we use them because our style work with them. They have very good spread. So verify your accounts and fund your accounts with a minimum of $250 trading account. $250 basically. After that, send a screenshot of the funded account to the person you got the link from. Within 10 minutes of opening your message, you'll be notified on your dashboard to accept the copy trading services. It's as simple as that. So congratulations to you in advance for making a steady $3,000 in the next 120 trading days without trading or analyzing the market yourself. So I know you have FAQ. I know you have your own personal questions, but these are the questions that kept up coming up whenever we have a webinar like this. So after this question, I'm going to be taking your own personal questions that you might want to ask me. So you might be asking, what is your my risk appetite per trade? I don't risk more than 2% per trade. So it means on every trade we are going to be taking with the MLBM offer, we are not going to be risking more than $5. Yeah, we are not going to be risking more than $5, and we are not going to be making less than $25, which is 1:5, right? So did you use stop loss and take profits? 100%. If why won't you use stop loss and take profit? We use stop loss and take profits 100%. We work under a strict risk management rule because obviously if you don't make money, we don't make money, right? Remember that we are going to share profit at the end of the day, right? So why must we use your broker? The reason is very simple. To get connected and use copy trading service, it has to be connected to our account. So it is only when you sign up with the unique link we are going to give to you that can actually work. That can actually be possible, right? Because we'll have to be connected. The copy trading will have to connect your account with our accounts. So it's as simple as that. So what if I don't have up to that amount right now? Now this is where it gets interesting. If you don't have up to $250 right now, at least if you have as much as $50 and above, basically, you can send me a message. You sign up with the broker I'm going to be giving to you because I will have to monitor you. I'm going to be giving you a risk management video. Just risk management video. This is for people who does not have $250 trading account. I'm going to be giving you a risk management video that you're going to watch, and I'm going to be giving you signals as well. My signal, right? So you'll be using this risk management rules that I'm giving to you. You'll be using it to trade, just so you don't blow the account and just so you make good money at the end of the day. Because without risk management, your account can't survive, and you can't blow your account if you trade our signals and you're using the risk management. It is impossible. I can guarantee you that. As long as you follow the rules. So to be sure that to be sure that you are following the risk management rules, will have to monitor what you're doing. And there's this broker we use that actually gives us the platform to see the trade you are taking. That's only the thing we are going to see. We can't interrupt or do anything. They are regulated brokers and they are well-known brokers to you, basically. So they are not new, right? So these are the brokers we are going to give you the link to sign up with. You sign up with them, and just so we can monitor you. That is the only reason why you are going to be sign up with the broker. So once you do that, you fund with as little as $50, basically. You'll be able to grow the account. Once it is $250, you can take the MLBM offer. You can take it. Once it is $250, you can take the MLBM offer. As simple as that. The difference is that the people who take the MLBM offer now, in the next 6 months, they are going to get massive results. 5 to 6 months, they are going to get massive results. But it's going to be different for you because we will have to grow your account from 50 to 250 first, then plug you into the corporate trading system. As simple as that. So what is the least profits to be made monthly in terms of percentage? I've told you 50%. That's the minimum. We are doing more than that. We can do more. I've shown you results that has proven 100%, 200% in 2 weeks, 100% in 1 month. Right? I've shown you results. So it's 50% is the worst case scenario, guys. 50% profit is the worst case scenario. So who is this offer not for? As I've said, we don't want a get rich quick scheme mentality, people. I don't want to have anything to do with you. If all you are looking for is a get rich quick scheme stuff, this is not for you. It is for people who have a long-term based investment mentality. Right? This is for you if you are here for a long term, for a long game, basically. Right? So if you have questions, please shoot me your questions. Shoot me your questions, guys. Okay, why $250? You might be asking, why is it $250? Let me cause somebody said $250 is too much. I will tell you the reason why $250 is the minimum requirement. It might be too much for you. I'm sorry about that. But I'm going to tell you why. The reason is very simple. $250 it will be easy to multiply $250 to get five times of $250, which is $1,250 in the next 5 months, than anything lesser. And besides, most of it, there are some trade we take a lot of good trade, right? There are some trade we take that will require you to have minimum of $250 to take such risk. Don't forget, we don't risk more than 2%. So to be able to do that, $250 is the minimum is the minimum we can actually work with. So if you are taking the signals, there are some signals you're not going to be getting. There are some trade you're not going to be getting, but you'll be getting some trade that will grow your account exponentially. So I believe I've made myself clear. So Joy Giver said, for those that don't have up to $250, can you tell us? No, I'm not teaching anybody anything. I don't have the time. I don't have the energy as well. So, is there any other questions? Question time, guys. Question time. Question time. We'll end in the next 3 minutes. We'll end the live in the next 3 minutes. We'll end this live webinar in the next 3 minutes. Yeah, I like this question. It's a very good question, honestly. I'm coming. It's a very good question. Here is it again. All right. For those, okay. I don't know why. I saw your question now. Yeah, that was why I said when you sign up with the broker will give us, there is this back end that we're going to be seeing the trade you are taking to ensure that you are following the risk. I'm going to give you a risk management video before you even take the signals. So once the risk management video is given to you, right, you'll be able to, what's it called? You would learn how to risk properly, how to not over risk. So once you learn that, it is now my job to monitor what you're doing, right? This is why you have to use the broker. So once you use the broker, I'll be able to see if you overtrade, if you're over leveraging. I will caution you. And if you are someone who doesn't take correction, please do not take advantage of this. It is not for you. I already told you. I believe I've answered your question, Machi. Yeah, Machi or something. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. If I don't, I'm sorry. What is the name of your strategy? The strategy you are using? Ah, okay. MLBM offer, simple. I mean MLBM strategy. Move like boss. We are trading like the what? Like the forex market dominators. That is why it is called the MLBM offer. You should, David said for those with $50, when should we message you? You can message me right away. Simple. Weekly. Weekly. We want your profits to actually accumulate over time. But basically, just understand that in the next 5 months, we'll because we'll know how much we've made from our own end. So in the next 5 months, because Mr. Oyeniyi Oluwarotimi is asked, but sir, is it possible to trade with the MLB trading platform and get profit weekly? Very possible. Very, very possible. I mean, you can be withdrawing your profits weekly. But I will advise you, because once your account gets to 1,000, I mean, once your account gets to 500, 700, 1,000, the way you'll be making money is going to be fast than an account of $250. I'll give you an example. If I'm risking 2% on $250 and I'm getting back times 5, that's $25, right? $5 to get $25. But on $1,000, I'm risking 2%, that's $20 to get $100. That's how so you're going to be making much more money faster. So I would advise you accumulate first before you think about profit. That's why I talked about having a long-term investment mentality, right? So are we going to message me on WhatsApp or Telegram, whichever one is okay. The minimum for the MLBM offer, I'll say it again, is $250. But of course, you can add more capital even after the initial capital. Yes, you can. But the minimum is $250 if you want to take advantage of the MLBM offer. Any other question, guys? No, the reason why, Mr. Oyeni, the reason why I don't train people right now, I will in the future, is because the reason why I don't right now is because I do not have the time and energy. Because if I train you, I want you to get results, and it's going to cost me a lot of time. And yeah, of course, I'm going to charge, but it's going to cost me a lot of time. A lot of time. Yes, David, you can message me through that number on WhatsApp. Anyone, you can message me on Telegram or on WhatsApp. Anyone that works for you. If you have an account with the same broker, you can use your maybe any of your family member details to or friends to open another account, because the account is already linked to someone already. So we won't be able to achieve what we are trying to achieve here. So you can use someone else's detail to sign up, but you'll be using crypto as means of payment and deposits. That way you are you are still in control of your money. Yes, that is my WhatsApp line, David. So Mr. Oyeni Oluwarotimi, I don't know if I've answered your question, but the reason I don't train people right now is because of the time and energy it takes. I don't want to train people and they don't get results. No. So I want to prepare for it. Of course, I'm going to be doing that probably early next year going on. But this year, I just want to help people make money. Simple. And they don't have to stress to do that. That is why trading is less stressful than teaching. Trading is less stressful than teaching. That's why. So yes, you have. Let me stop the recording. You have access to the recording. So guys, I don't know if you have any other question, but if you don't, is there any other more question, or maybe there's no question again or something? I don't know. I believe I've answered everybody's question. Yeah. So my people, this is what I want you all to do for me. Please and please, I'm begging. Go into the WhatsApp group you came from. Drop a review of this webinar. If you think I've given you value for your time, tell me how much value you've gained from this webinar in the group you get. Please just do that. For it, it's not going to take you more than 1 minute or something. I would love a review. I always want to be on my toes. I always want to ensure that I've treated people fairly or something, or I treat people fairly, because your time is also valuable. So I want to ensure that I have made your time here. I have made it worthy, basically. So please drop a review in the group, telling people about what you've gained or what you've not gained, or what you've gained, if I've helped you, right? Or if I don't help you, just be honest with your review. That's what I want you all to do, guys. So thank you for coming up here. I appreciate you all. And don't forget, guys, only 3 people are going to get the fast action book ticker bonus, and that's within 24 hours. So by tomorrow this time is going to be off.